Okay, so before I start talking, just a little update. Bumped update. Baby is getting heavier, but it's okay. Okay, so anyways guys, so I just arrived home. I actually just arrived home from meeting some friends, and I was really in a hurry to come home because I'm excited to watch this video with Oppa. So what am I talking about? So me and Oppa, instead of doing any parties or gender reveal party, baby shower for our baby, we decided to donate some money to give food to some children in my hometown, Cebu, Philippines. And let me just correct what I said because I feel uncomfortable calling it a donation. I just don't consider it that way. We are very grateful to be pregnant, and we want to celebrate this blessing in our life in a way that is meaningful to us. So this is our very special baby shower with the kids of Cebu, of course, with a twist. And yes, before we watch the video, I just want to say thank you so much to Cebu Family Channel. Salamat kaayo ninyo for making this possible. I will link their YouTube channel in my description box. So let's go, let's watch.
내일은 도시락 100인분 어린아이들을 위한 100인분 도시락을 준비를 하려고 합니다.
They're really good
치킨,
at
프라이
preparing.
치킨,
Looks clean.
그리고 라이스 50인분과 파스타 50인분, 그리고 특별하게
귀여워요,
대기를
귀여워요.
하는데요.
That's why she asked.
내일 행사는 저희 구독자님이신 필리핀분 마일린 세뇨라 님께서 아이를 임신을 하셨는데 베이비 샤워를 하는 대신에 저희들한테 일정 금액을 도네이션 해 주셔서 그 금액을 받고 100인분을 준비를 했습니다.
자, 오늘은
So when I reached out to the Cebu Family Channel, it was so kind of them to ask me what my plan is and what I would prefer that they would do with the money. And because our baby loves Filipino food and I have been craving for jolly spaghetti and chicken joy, we decided to go with both. Of course, Jollibee style. What can I say? What mommy loves, baby loves too. And they did a really good job preparing the food, and we are also very happy. We are really surprised that they also prepared some cupcakes for us. Thank you. And yes, we are having a baby girl. Yay. Thank you so much for all your greetings. Oh, so cute.
핑크색으로 그쪽
아빠.
예쁘게 잘 순산했으면 좋겠습니다. 축하드립니다.
감사합니다.
참고로 어제 미싱
Thank you.
You heard what they said?
Yes, congratulations. Wow, they give each
생선 맛있고 생선 파는 아이예요.
cupcake dough together. I thought,
네. 네, 땡기만.
아, 귀여워요.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you, mom. Thank you. 올렸어.
You can't see our faces, but we are truly happy watching all those children happy. And I must say, watching this video makes me want to go home so bad. I miss my family and I want to eat Jollibee spaghetti and chicken joy and pretty much everything.
신발이 없어.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, so cute. Pretty opa. Charlie's pretty.
Happy guy.
Happy guy. He said 감사합니다.
Happy.
Thank you so much to Cebu family for doing this for me. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for your time and for your effort. The cupcakes is so cute. Everyone is so cute. And hope to see you when I get back home. Ingat kayo always and God bless you.
Smile, okay.